What's up, Polygon holder? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special and very important for all Polygon holder, because remember though, everybody knows this during this time the price will fail down. So this is clear, my friend. You can see here to this coin will not moving upward, but definitely this is 100% my friend is not right, because everybody knows this too. After a short time they were very badly phased down. So therefore I will notify you, my friends, to you. Everybody know, please try to understand, to they cannot moving upward, my friend. I am give you 100% guarantee to they cannot moving upward, because especially when a short-term investor are starting selling, so they cannot moving upward. But I will give you 100% guarantee also, my friend, to after my research, after our personal research, definitely this coin will completely go in the moon now. So try to understand, Polygon holder, please. In upcoming days, I think I'm 100% sure, my friends, to the price will be increased now. So thanks for watching, Polygon holder. Remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time the price will thumbs up, get up and thumbs up. But please don't starting selling, otherwise we cannot get a profit. See you next time. Please like video and subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.